How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone. Here open apps option. After this, on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, keep data and click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do then, you have to go directly to uh, permissions and click on camera allow only while using the app, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.